আসসালামু আলাইকুম। 2022 সালের এইচএসসি পরীক্ষার্থীদের সরকার কর্তৃক দেওয়া অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের ইংরেজি দ্বিতীয় পত্রের বিষয়বস্তু ছিল একটি ইজি লেখা। তো সেটা ছিল রাইট অ্যান্ড ইজি অন ডিফারেন্স বিটুইন অনলাইন ক্লাস অ্যান্ড ইন ক্যাম্পাস ক্লাস। তো প্রথমে এটা একটা ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দিতে হবে, আর সেটা এইচএসসি আলিম থার্ড উইক ইংলিশ সেকেন্ড পেপার অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট আনসার অ্যান্ড সলিউশন। তো ফার্স্ট আমাদের ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দিতে হবে। An online class is a course conducted over the internet. They are generally conducted through a learning management system in which students can view their course syllabus and academic progress as well as communicate with fellow students and their course instructor. And next, on the other hand, in-campus classes means engaging in an activity by a faculty member or a student of an educational institution on the campus pertaining to facilities or activities regularly utilized by the faculty or students of an educational institutions that are located on the campus. And then the emergence of a campus class. The emergence of a campus class are: 1. Easily build community. 2. Keep a structured time. 3. Get my questions answered right then and there. 4. Appeal to all my sons. And then we have a topic: pros and cons of a campus class. When I meet face to face with people and hear their stories and insights in person, it is develop relationships and build community with my classmates and professors. I have greater opportunities to have an in-person my professor or understanding of an easy to begin to traditional classroom setup, conversation with classmates to better something wondering about. And the next, I have learned or been the most obvious disadvantage of engaging in an campus learning is the set schedule I am required to follow every week. Pros and cons of online class. The biggest advantage of an online course classroom and instructor theoretically are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Online class give me the flexibility to spend time with work, family, friends, significant others, or any other activity like that. My online class gives me freedom. This freedom can be dangerous if you don't learn how to handle it. An internet-based course demands that my development in-person time management skills as we most things. If I don't manage my time properly, I will find myself bored beneath a seeming insurmountable mountain of coursework. My experience during the COVID-19 pandemic. Due to COVID-19, the campus across the world is the shift toward online class. My online learning different than what I am used to doing in the physical classroom. No doubts, online class are a good method of teaching, but I like to be in physical classroom experiencing completely that than an online learning environment. As soon as lockdown started in our country, the government had directed that during the lockdown the teachers should teach us at home so that students can continue their studies from home. Our teachers started online class to continue the studies of students. Each and every teacher given his her best to make our concept clear. Every student is not able to use electronic devices effectively. I am also one of them, but after some time I am familiar with this and can able to use it according to my needs, and my teacher has been really working hard to improving the interface and quality of online lectures. তারপর আমাদেরকে লিখতে হবে, তার নিচে লিখতে হবে, teachers are also put a lot of effort into teaching their students. The teacher interacts with the student in a very cool and interesting manner that interacts more and more students towards online class. তারপর আমাদেরকে লিখতে হবে, তার নিচেই আমাদেরকে লিখতে হবে। তারপর আমাদেরকে একটু উপসংহার দিতে হবে, conclusion. While on campus education may have a few disadvantages, it remains an impactful learning experience that helps me build better relationships with my peers, keep a set schedule, engage in meaningful discussion, and cater to my unique learning style. But on-campus education is the only way to learn. So আমাদের এটাই ছিল তৃতীয় সপ্তাহের ইংলিশ দ্বিতীয় পত্রের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের ফলাফল। সবাই পাশে থাকবেন।